You're watching how to save iPhone contacts to iCloud. First, ensure your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Open the Settings app and tap your name at the top to access your Apple ID menu. Select iCloud. Here you will see a list of apps and data that can sync with iCloud. Find contacts in this list. If the toggle switch next to contacts is gray, tap it to turn it on. The switch will turn green. A pop-up message will appear asking if you want to merge or cancel. Tap Merge. This will upload all contacts from your iPhone to your iCloud account and merge them with any existing contacts already stored there. To verify the sync is complete, you can go to iCloud.com on a computer, log in with the same Apple ID, and click Contacts to see your entire list. If you have multiple contact accounts like Google or Microsoft on your phone and only want to save the iPhone contacts to iCloud, you may need to change the default account. Go to Settings, Contacts, Default Account, and ensure iCloud is selected. New contacts you create will then save directly to iCloud. This process creates a secure backup of your contacts. If you ever get a new iPhone, simply log in with the same Apple ID and toggle on contacts in iCloud settings to download them all. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.